Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and in this video we are going to unbox this latest blood pressure monitor. It's a package which was sent by BP Doctor, this company called YHE from China. So here we have the BP Doctor box, right? I'll put a link in the description. This product roughly costs $300, which is a lot of money, but I mean, they say that it really does the job. So I think the main thing about this product being so expensive is that it's got a patented inflatable air cuff, and of course it does all the blood pressure and SpO2, heart rate, workouts, alarm. It doesn't have a GPS, but it's a pretty solid device. So let's jump into it and let's check out the device itself. So the packaging is quite simple. It's got this sort of foam inside, black all around, gives you the serial number on the side, and this is the watch, right? It looks pretty decent, and over here it gives you a mark of a charging cable, and I'm not sure what's over here. So the watch is the feel is quite heavy, as I can really feel it. It's really heavy. This is the inflatable sort of cuff, right? So it sits very well. It's not that it's going to be very thick. It does this intermittent blood pressure monitoring, and apart from that, it's got this buckle which is shiny. Let's see what else comes in the box. So guys, it does come with this measuring sort of strap tape. It comes with this really decent charger. The charger is micro USB, where you can just let the watch sit like that. It comes with this really detailed user manual and a quick startup guide, and it says scan the barcode, and the app's name is BP Doctor. To download the app, so let's go hit. Here we go, that's the app. So you reach at this stage once when you have installed the app. It'll ask you your gender and date of birth and so on. So I'm just going to set mine up. Have these options. If you click the side button, and we've got BP, heart rate, SpO2, heart rate, alarm, calorie. So the main thing is we want to test the BP. So let's go hit start. So that's the blood pressure which it's given. It says 139/88. So what we'll do is, I have another blood pressure monitor. We'll go ahead and we'll test it out from that. Right, so here I have my Omron wrist blood pressure monitor. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it over here, and it has to come on the other side. And we'll just hit start and see how this one performs. So if we remember, R is 139/88, and we need to see what's the blood pressure on this one. Let's go ahead and let's check it out. So this one is 128/77, and then let's go over here and then let's try it out one more time. Here we go. Start. So right now it's given us 87/73. I don't think so that's correct. So let me just move it to the front a little bit and then probably start again. That's 121/79, which is amazing. So the idea is basically it needs to be slightly tight, and 121/79, it gave a pretty accurate reading as like the Omron. So guys, this was my very quick review of this watch. I'm just going to show you lastly from this end. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the blood pressure, and I'm just going to show you what actually it does, right? So if I hit start over here, and do you see? So that is it. It gets inflated over here, and then basically it delivers the blood pressure. It has sort of a pump inside which pumps up this cushion behind the strap. It's a good idea. I mean, it's a pretty decent idea. Whoever's made it. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts on this watch. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I will reply back to you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and take care of yourself and see you then. Bye.